Hey, several people have asked me to make a video of my new container build. This is my old one I did 1990, 36 years ago, as an office. Now we're building a new house out of 3 brand new shipping containers, and got the floor insulation down, the subfloors down, and started the internal framing. So I'll just do a quick walk around. I'll try to do more updates. I have a lot of still photos, so this will be a big picture. That's the picture window going in here, and it'll cover most of this space with a 24-inch wide bench next to it. Then the front door will be here, and I'm putting another 18-inch out of square tubing smaller door, so we'll have a over 5-foot opening to move furniture in and out. And then I had 3-inch foam board cut, and then we laid the 1.125 Avantech subfloor in there. It's all tongue and groove together, but at each line, and the loophole in that is still classifies as mobile, and we can move it to some other property up in New Mexico or whatever. But through the cargo tie down anchors, I put 5/8 bolts, and then I've reinforced the container with 1/4-inch thick 2x2s that fit into that wall to carry the container we're going to put on the top. This will be the guest bedroom. And then there's a company, well, a couple companies that make these standoffs to glue onto the wall and glue onto your metal or wood framing, so you don't have a thermal bridge. But what I did is just 3D printed little standoffs. They do about the same. They're not as fancy, but those were $5.20 a piece, and I needed over 200 of them, so $1,000. Anyway, I printed 260 of these for $40 worth of filament, and took about 4 days of running the 3D printer. But they do 90% of the same function. And then, so that'll, what the final walls. So then after all this framing's done, we'll run the electrical and plumbing through, and then I have a third party coming in to do spray foam. And then this will be our 4x8 pantry, and it'll have a 900 CFM vent fan and a 36-inch wide fully louvered door. So all the appliances, I'll have 2 separate 20 amp circuits in there. We can leave all the appliances like the microwave and air fryer and waffle iron, blenders, everything all plugged in and used in there without having to put anything on the 16-inch or 16-foot wide kitchen counter. And then to keep the separability, these are 2x2 bolted together all through here. And then here is a 2x4. That's where the back exit door will be. And then this, so this great room, kitchen, dining room, there'll be an island here that's on this style of caster wheels. You can jack them off of the wheels onto the feet. And then an extendable table, living room, big TV there. Guest bath will come almost to where that roll of paper towels is, the next one in. And then this is a master bath, 8x9, and then a 12x16 master bedroom, and then 8x6 walk-in closet. And then this back 30 inches will be my, so there'll be a fire safe wall through here. That whole room will be coated in 2 inches of reinforced concrete, and my 2 charger controllers, this big, 2 of these big 32 amp hour, 600 volt or 600 pound lithium batteries will go in there, so everything will be off the grid solar. I got 37 320 watt solar panels coming into it, and I think that's about it. So it'll be kitchen, dining, living room, and then we're gonna we'll have a 12 by 20 deck on the top and another shipping container up on the roof that's a full cabin. But anyway, quick little walk around of the place, I guess. And then I'll have linear actuators on these doors, so when we leave or if there's tornado warnings or something, we just push the button and close it up. And this side will have a 12-foot overhang, and then everywhere else will have a 4-foot overhang, and then the panels on half of the roof up there. But quick little walk around. These vintage windows and doors I got at just labor cost, and so anyway, we'll see. Hopefully the next 3 or 4 months have it all finished out. The harder parts of moving them together and welding it all up, but none of the containers are welded together. They've got a D seal between them, and then I haven't yet applied the I forget what it's called, Enduro seal? No. Anyway, tape, like RV tape, also back up, and then they'll be covered with metal roof too. But anyway, hopefully it goes well. Thanks.